Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Glad that you guys are here. Thanks for joining, everybody. I'm Money. We're back live at it again. Trading the Nascraq. TGIF, pandas. Thank God it's Friday, Friday, Friday. It's nice to sometimes take a break from trading. Even though I do love this community so much. It is mentally exhausting to trade this nasty price action that we've had an entire week. Honestly, every single day this week has been pretty terrible. There's only been one time it's been good, and it's only been it was half a day. I believe it's half a day only. And what I cannot. What is wrong? What is wrong, Ninja Trader? Actually, let's go ahead. We gotta take these lines away. Only one time was actually good. Maybe this is good here. I don't know. I feel like this week's been pretty terrible. Like, even this is not even that good. This week has been terrible price action. What can I say? Guess I can entry long here. Could be a trading range developing. And if it is, we are at the top of it. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. Make sure you scalp that like button. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's get to the previous day's close. Let's go for it. Such a strong push up. Just one contract. Good signal bar. Looks like it's developing a good signal bar here. Let's see if we can time this perfectly. Okay. Second entry long. Oof. Okay. Close enough for me, yeah? 8 more ticks, 2 more ticks. Good signal bar. Second entry long. Coming off a strong uptrend. We do have a breakup trend, but good enough signal bar for me. And we're close to the open, so hopefully we can get to the close, yesterday's close. That's my aim here. That's my target. It's good risk reward too. Top of the trading range, bouncing off of it. Maybe strong reversal here. The moment I enter the trade, it reverses. That's never a good sign, right? The moment you enter, it just retraces 10 points. Retraces 10 points almost exactly. It's not a good sign. Like literally the moment it put me in, entered. Okay, if we can close above my entry, that'd be great. Just a pullback, small pullback in that. Good risk reward here. Really good risk reward. I'm hoping the open will launch it actually to the previous day's close here. Hope we get close to it. We'll see. Honestly, could be trading range as well. We're at the top of a trading range if it is a trading range. Do I just let the trading range take over? Hard to go long right into the top of that trading range. You're either right or wrong here. I can skunk this. Maybe not worth trying here. I'll take a small hit. $100 hit. It's a skunk. Top of the trading range. Didn't like the reaction. A little disappointed here. All of this nonsense. I think I'll wait till market open. I'll take the $100 hit. It's all good. Get your feet wet. You know what I mean, pandas? Get over that fear of losing. Right? Fear of losing is on so many people's reasons not to take a trade. And this kind of helps you like get rid of that fear. Just take that small hit. It's okay to be a little red. Move on. Next trade. Next trade. I mean, just looking over it again, seeing how we didn't have a strong push up after this nice signal bar, poor reaction, and seeing how we're at the top of a trading range potentially here, it made me want to abandon that trade. It could ultimately work out, but it's such a nice balance at the top here. Almost reversal is preferred at this point. Almost preferred. Good morning, my pandas. John Q, it's Fight Friday, people. Fight, win, never back down. And oh, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Good skunk, ultimately, right? I prevented like a bigger loss, so we'll call that half a loss. How about that? 0.5 loss. Is that okay? Does that make sense? It's like a 0.5 loss. YL, I bought a new mic for my PC today. I don't even know why I bought it. You know why? Because you won the giveaway. That's the only reason why. Otherwise, you have no reason else to buy it. Rohan, good morning. John Q, market spawn camping me. Laced up souls. ES is a short or long in a good loan. In a good, I have no idea what you're trying to say. Could be the count affecting decision making. Yoji, good morning. Gab, welcome. Made max money on my 2 PA with that move up. Let's go. Congratulations. You're done. Just close it up. Close it up. Or open up a TPT account. Use code BBM. By the way, Panda, there's only 2 days left on this promo. 2 days left on this promo. Two trading days left. About 1 day left. 1 day left. Take advantage of it. Did the credit get to you? Did it get to you? It took some time, but we got it. We got it as quick as we could. Gab, next step is TPT. Don't worry, I got you with the code. I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. I like the happy face for the D, right? Instead of a D, it's a happy face. I love that. That's amazing. Lace up 30 USD for 300K Apex account right now. Yep. Look on the left of your screen. You can see all the promo details. It's all there. Yes, I haven't activated. Okay, nice. As long as you got the credit, that's all that matters. My job is done. Thank you for all your support, everybody. We had an amazing giveaway Wednesday. And that's the benefit of subscribing and following, because you get access to these amazing giveaways. Goodness gracious. Who else is giving out 2 free TPT accounts? I've been in talks with TPT, and they said I might get some more free. Accounts for you guys. I told them how much you loved it, and they said once you basically have proven yourself, that's what they said, then you can get more accounts. And I'm like, all right. So every time you guys use the code BBM, it increases the chances of getting another giveaway. Like I said, the reversal is almost preferred here, and I couldn't take this reversal because it's above the 20 MA, but we hit the top of this trading range too perfectly, and I was worried, and I just got out. So good skunk. Excellent skunk. I mean, I'll call that a 0.5 loss. It was like it was not even a $100 loss, so you know what? It's like, and if I didn't take it out here, that was basically the highest point it got to when I decided to skunk it. So it didn't get any higher than that. So I don't know. I just felt like a good move at the end. Actually, it did move up a little bit more. But regardless, market's about to open in 1 minute. Pandas, are you ready? Pandas, focus up. Let's get ready to take only S-tier setups. Pay attention to market cycle. Right? Notice that we're in a big trading range right now. I think we're going to move today, yeah, Pandas? I think we're going to move today. We should move, I think. I almost want to buy some puts today. Some SPY puts, yeah? We have a high chance of coming back to the bottom of the trading range. That's how trading ranges work. Market opening 30 seconds. Are you ready? I want to make max today, Pandas. Every single day I want to make max. If I hit max today, I'll be so close to payouts. Actually, on that first account, no, it wouldn't be payouts yet. It'd be very close. But Basically, we're in payout city. We've hit max one more time. 10 seconds. Countdown, pandas. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. Let's get it, pandas. Let's get to the bottom of the trading range. That's what I'm thinking. Let's get to the bottom of that trading range. You know what I mean? Second entry short, hidden second entry short. I'm going to wait for a better setup. Even though I think we have a clear target to the bottom of the trading range, I want a better setup than that. It's a hidden second entry short. Hidden second entry short, right? In this one bar, you had 2 reversals. Pushes down and back up. Okay. Sitting on our pause here. Market hasn't really made a decision on what to do. But we are open beneath the low on the 5-minute chart. So we cannot take Big Mama. Big Mama's already kind of triggered. Okay, pushes down here. I wanted a better setup. I mean, I think it can clearly hit the bottom of this trading range that I marked here with these blue lines. But no setup to it, right? No setup to it, really. I mean, that's all you had. A little consolidation here. It is a fail. It is a hidden second entry short, in fact. But I typically don't take those. I don't take those. I mean, I don't think they're strong setups particularly. Okay, hitting the bottom of the trading range. Like I said, it's preferred if you just reversed it here, try to get back to the bottom. But I couldn't do it because we were above the 20 EMA, and I usually don't take trades on the wrong side of the 20 EMA. I just don't do it. It's too hard for me. I'm too programmed to not do that. Hopefully I can learn to trade on the opposite side of the 20 EMA, but it usually punishes me. It usually punishes me when I do that. Pandas, drop some GMs in chat. Make sure you scalp that like button. Pandas, I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling real good today. I don't know why. Might be baby panda sleeping a little bit better these days. I'm getting my sanity back. I'm kind of getting my sanity back, you know what I mean? All right, let's get it. Let's absolutely get this. Am I looking for a bounce around here? Sure. Sure, why not? Sure. But I need a setup. I need a reason. Give me a reason. Give me a reason to reverse it here. Come back up to the top of the trading range. Notice pandas, big gap beneath, right? We still have a big gap beneath that we have to fill right here. There's a big gap that needs to be filled. And we need to fill it. What can I say? We're going to fill it today? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. Just possibly. Fails like entry short. Is that a good trade here? Second entry short here. Doesn't even touch the 20 EMA. Decent momentum play to the bottom of the trading range. I wouldn't blame you if you took that short. I wouldn't blame you if you took that short. Even if it fails, I wouldn't blame you. I mean, it's a decent trade. Obvious target to hit. Bottom of the trading range. And we hit it. We finally hit the bottom of the trading range. Ooh, we broke the overnight low already. Testing the overnight low here. Are we going to just keep flushing down, pandas, is the question. Are we going to keep flushing down is the question. I'm trying to keep this range in our view here so we don't forget it. We broke the overnight low. This is a new low of day. And the 5-minute bar just printing a nasty just ding-dong candle. Just a big ding-dong here. What in the world? Big old ding-dong just dropping down. What are we doing? Max mental capital. Good sleep is pog, absolutely. You know what? We're coming back up into our trading range. We could reverse here. We got breaker trend to new low. If we get a fail second just short, I'm down. I'm game. I'm a player here. Let's try. I'm a player here. Let's get a failed second entry short. I'm looking to reverse this back up. Just because we've been in a trading range. Right? We bounce the top here. Third time down here. Just big up, big down. Why not? I mean, that's currently the market cycle. Or should I just take the second entry short? Good looking signal bar for that second entry short. In fact, that's the best looking signal bar you can possibly get on that second short. I'll take the second entry short though, like I mentioned. Just because we're hitting the bottom of the trading range. And we are in a bottom of the trading range, bouncing off with a setup, with a reversal setup. I'm going to try. I'm going to try here. Let's see if we can get some good bamboo. I mean, it's already a decent push up. Very decent push up. Maybe I should have protected some bamboo here. We're going to hold on to this, pandas. You know what? I'm going to do what all the other traders do. I'm going to come out at 1 to 1. Okay, well, looks like I'm going to lose this trade. Too strong of a push down. Reversal's too weak. I can come out break even here. I think it's too strong of a push down. I'm going to get out of this trade. And we skunked a winning trade here. I'm absolutely just devastated because we are absolutely pushing up now. And I could have protected my bamboo. I was gonna say I'm gonna just do what everyone else does. Take out 1 to 1 and then re-enter the trade right at the break-even point. And that's exactly what people just did. It went down a little far. It went down a little too far. But it was I'd say 1 to 2 basically risk reward we're trying to make. So that 1 to 1 was met almost perfectly. That 1 to 1 was met, reversed back down to come out break even, and people re-entered. The bulls re-entered there. And I made a big boo-boo there. Pandas! I made a big boo-boo. I was in a winning trade. Absolutely amazing trade, actually. It's all good. Man, oh man, oh man. You got to stick to your guns in this situations. But look how strong this push down was. I mean, can you blame me for being a little bit scared? Can you blame me for being a little bit scared and just skunking the trade once I saw this big bear bar? Man, coming back to the top of the trading range, I made a big boo-boo. Pandas, I made a big boo-boo. I feel like that's going to tilt me for the rest of the session. But hey, Pandas, let's stay vigilant. Coming back to the top of the trading range. Where else? The 5-minute bar, even the strong bear bar, it gets absolutely reversed. It gets folded and basically just matched with the bull bar. Is that all we're getting? Okay. I'm not too sad about that. I'm not too sad about it. Where are my diamond coronas? Coronas? My diamond coronas? I guess that kind of makes sense. If you're talking about corona, that means crown. That means crown in Spanish. So where's my diamond crown at? I mean, that kind of makes sense because you're basically saying like, where's your kingly status at? I mean, I guess you can bend it to make sense. I mean, I usually say diamond cojones, but the diamond coronas also. I mean, why not? Let's throw it in there. Jeez, the diamond coronas. I'll take it. Pandas, we made a big boo-boo. We made a big boo-boo, missing that amazing trade. We made a boo-boo because of this doo-doo. I mean, the market shook me out. What can I say? I wish I was able to come out 1 to 1. I wish I kind of planned that. Come out 1 to 1. And re-enter again at break-even. But then this strong bear bar spooked me, shook me out. What can I say? Big push down, but big push up. So this is a bear trap here. Quite bullish, actually, this move up now. Almost want to take a second entry long if I get it. We didn't get it. It gets close, but the bulls are way too eager to jump in here. Now we're watching this go up to exactly where we think it's going to go up, and it just is flying now. Bottom of trading range, reversal setup. I mean, you got to take it. I did take it. I'll tell you what, I did take that trade. But I could not hold it to the end. And I paid the price. High or low here. If you're super eager to jump in. The 5-minute interesting. I'm curious to see what the next candle looks like. I'm gonna see if it's a limit order market. This is how you can tell if it's a limit order market right here, right at the end of this candle. If it pushes back down, we're in a limit order market. If it pushes up, then we are breaking out to the upside. Limit order market. This is the 5-minute chart. Top right of your screen, you can see what time frame I'm looking at. $2,500 tick chart. Okay. Okay. Higher low here. I've paid the price too many times with the higher lows. Skip it. Skip it. Just skip it. I'll take the fail second just short on the 2,500 tick.
2,500 tick trap.
2,500 tick, I'll take the fail second short. I mean, you got to try right there, in my opinion. And the ATR is not even too bad. The risk is not even too bad for that. We're going for it, pandas. We're absolutely going for it here. Let's fill the gap. Fail second just short on the 2,500 tick chart. Obviously, you can draw the same trading range here as you did on the 500 tick chart. And we have room to get to the top. Plenty of room to get to the top. Get rid of this line. No longer relevant. So second just short, triggering above the 20 EMA. Coming off a bottom trading range. Basically the same setup as the 500 tick. It's pushing down quite strong, but we're still above the 20 EMA. Got 300 more ticks. More or less. Okay. It's a terrible looking signal bar. That's the problem here. It's a terrible looking signal bar, pandas. Could be sus. It looks suspicious. Fail second entry long here on the 500 tick chart. Are we coming back down to the bottom? I'm not trading in with these candles here, but sure, this can fall. This can really fall now. It could fall. I wouldn't be surprised if it came back down here. It is one of the possibilities for sure, right? The 5-minute, we're just within the range of the first two bars on the 5-minute chart.
2,500 tick trap.
Still gonna see if we can hit this. Whoa, trap triggers. I mean, the risk is huge, but I think this is the max risk I'm gonna take here. Whoa, decent push up. This is a decent push up right now. Let's let the candle finish. Let's let the candle finish, shall we? We'll let the candle. Easy peasy. We got one runner here, pandas, and it's looking delicious. Are we making max today? Are we making max? We got to make about 800 more for max, starting from basically here. 800 more. $800 right here. I'm not going to make more than that, so let's just call it right here because we don't want to make too much money here. We got one runner flying. Wow. Hello? Okay. It wasn't taking my trade out. Goodness gracious, what a strong reversal back down. It's like we had news or something. What in the world was that, pandas? That was a super sharp move back down. That was a super strong move back down. I thought we were going to hit the top of the trading range easy peasy. But you can tell the market had other plans. We basically got knocked down at the previous day's low here. That's a strong enough push down for me to want to go short now. That is a very sharp move down. Let's see if we can get some follow through. Give me a fail. Give me a second entry short. I'll take it. I'll take the second entry short. We're up 700. Goodness gracious. That spiked down. I'm glad I took my profits there. What in the world? I took my profits out perfectly there. How in the world did I just time that so perfectly? Goodness gracious. If I didn't take my profits there, I would have lost all of that. I would say we're one. Where are we? What's my record? Let's say we're like 1 and 0.5. Here we go. 1 and 0.5. Lower high, not good enough for me now. I got a little slippage, little teeny slippage, not too much, but there was some slippage. It's like 1 point slippage, not bad. Technically, I was break even plus once, 1.5 points of slippage. Lower high triggers here, not interested. The setup's not good enough. I feel second entry long is my setup here. Lower high on the 5-minute chart looks bearish, right? 5-minute looks bearish with that bear bar like that. I mean, that looks bearish to me. Super big wick and a super strong bear body. And we have room to the bottom of these candles. I mean, at least test the bottom of these candles. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. At least testing the bottom of those candles here. We're going to go 2 here. Let's see. I think we're testing at least the bottom of those candles here. Okay. Quite strong move back up, though. What can I say? Quite a strong move back up. Back to the 20 EMA. Am I still trying to go short here? It's a good signal bar. Oof. Sharp move back up the moment it triggers. I'm going to sit on my pause here a little bit. It was a sharp move back up. The moment if I entered it was a sharp move back up. Second inch short is what I'm looking for now. Give me a second inch short. I doubt I'm getting it. Yeah, I'm really doubt I'm getting it. You just got to jump in. Just got to jump in. That first entry. First entries everywhere. Lots of overlap. Lots of, right. Look at this outside OI pattern here. Lots of confusion here. 5-minute. We're still like within the range of the first 2 candles. We're still within the range, or we closed within that, the first 2 candles. So a little bit confused on what's happening here. Lower high. Is that a good trade here? I don't think so. I don't think so. Lower high. I mean, off the 20 EMA once again. Pandas. Am I looking for a lower high? I mean, if I draw a simple channel here, I mean, this is what it looks like. And there's not enough. If we break this low, it's not enough room. There is some room, but not worth the risk, in my opinion. Panda, do you know of anything automated that can automatically place a contract size for you based on how much you want to risk per trade when you enter a trade for? No, I do not. I do not. That'd be a little difficult to program as well, I think. Ooh, hello. Second inch is short. Second inch is short. Terrible. Whoa. Limit order market. I mean, look at this, Pandas. At the 5-minute, didn't that look so bearish? You're thinking you're testing at least the bottom of these bodies? We don't even test that. Reverses all the way back up. Man, that is very tricky. You're thinking you're at least testing the bottom of these bodies. In my opinion, that what's happening right now is very surprising. It's the more unique thing. And, geez. I mean, I don't think it's hard for me to make a decision here on what to do. I don't know. I'm looking for S tier setups, and I don't think we're having one right now. I mean, even going long here, is that even a good move at this point? Even going long, is that even a good move here? I don't think so. Look at the signal bar now. We're just hanging out. Pandas! We're up 295. I mean, that alone is not bad. I mean, I'm happy with 295. I can end today with that. Manual calculator. I do. Affordable trading indicator bar order tool. Does that. Okay, cool. That's the beauty of the chat. The beauty of the Panda fam. I might not know it, but you got plenty of other people who might. Second entry long. Failed trap here. Failed trap here. Interesting. Failed trap. Interesting. Failed trap. Is this bullish or bearish, Pan? This looks confusing to me. It just looks confusing. It doesn't look bullish or bearish. It just looks confusing. It looks baelish. It looks baelish. Oh, okay. Interesting. Trap might work out. After like 3 bars, you're pretty much okay. I mean, if I was long here, I would stay. I would stay in. If I was long here, I would stay in as long as we close above my entry. Yikes! Second entry. Okay. If I was bullish, I would stay in here. Wow. All right. Closing within the candles again. This is tricky. Look at the 5-minute. It's just crazy. We close within the range once again. Are we trying to break out here is a question. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, this is a very decisive move down. Okay, popping off. Breaking out to the upside. Right, the 5-minute now. Right, this candle, which looks so bearish, reversed super strong. And now we're breaking to the other side. So those bears who sold here, they might be squeezed right now. They might be squeezed right here. And they say, you know, their stop loss might be here. Stop loss is probably up here. But they're probably selling here too. I don't know. It's tough to say. Ooh, failed breakout. It's very tough. I don't think anything's easy right now. Lots of things going on. A lot of little micro movements, little micro things you have to consider, especially in the 5-minute charts. Just you got to think about the bears who sold here. Right? They probably came out break even. They sold this bar, came out break even. Think about the bears who sold here. They're selling here again, selling up here, trying to come out break even. So they could be break even now, right? 50%. The 50% point is the wow. Second entry short. I gotta try here, pandas. I'm sorry. I gotta try here, I think. It looks absolutely disgusting, but I think I got this a little too much. Give me a setup on the 500 tick chart, but I gotta try to go short here, I think. That failed breakout. See, that's why when I saw the 5-minute closing within this range, I just didn't feel good about going long here. Because I think the bears made it obvious their intentions here by not closing above. Right? If we closed above, I'd be more eager to go long here, but we closed beneath. We closed within the range. Man, that was creating. This is a pure limit order market. Like, this is like the limit order of limit order market. Look at how perfectly overlapping these bars are. What do you usually say when you see markets like this? Sit on your paws. Just sit on your paws, get out. Don't even try. Don't even pretend you know what's going to happen here. Yikes, that's disgusting. Disgusting, yes. We're pushing down. Lower high. A lot of people took that lower high as confirmation. I don't know, pandas. Fail second entry long. I can try here, but we're basically at the bottom of the trading range again. But notice, pandas, we didn't hit the top of the trading range this time. In fact, we're making lower highs now. Every single time. Making lower highs. And that lower high, we couldn't even reach this trend line. On that lower high. Pushing down hard. We could break down here. We could easily break down here. Easily break down. But I need a setup. Give me anything. I'm eager to go short, but give me a setup. Give me a setup. All right. The candle finish. It's an ugly setup. I usually don't take this. All right, let's sit on a pause here. I usually don't take this setup. We're going back up into our trading range. Maybe I should just go long here. Maybe is it that simple today? You just go long at the bottom of the trading range? Is it that simple today? Am I making it too complicated for myself here? Wow, maybe I am. I should really just go long at the bottom of the trading range. What? That's crazy. I thought we had bearish pressure here. So I was considering maybe a breakdown. Seeing how strong we're pushing back up. I don't know if I can consider it. Where's the V bottom? 2 strong bull bars. Huh. I need the 5-minute to confirm if we're breaking down or not. Trap this trigger. Right. The 5-minute, I need this to close beneath here. Right? I need to close somewhere around here. This 5-minute needs to close somewhere down here. But if we close up here, I mean, I'm going to consider we're still in the trading range, essentially. Or especially if we're still within the range of the 2 first bars. Like, I need to close down here somewhere. Wow. It closes perfectly on our trading range indicator. Yikes. No confirmation yet. We need a strong close. We need to close outside of this range. We can basically close within it again. Again, pandas. What's going on? Austin here. Going for my first Apex eval. Congratulations. Good luck. Good luck.
Five-minute trap.
5-minute trap. Okay. Second entry short. Do I want it here? If we get it, do I want it? Whew. It's hard for me to take because we're back into our trading range. But notice, we have failed to get... We're going lower and lower every single time. Showing bearish pressure. Oh, eye pattern on the 500 tick. I got no setup. If this goes down, it goes down. But I can't get in. I can't get in. Not like that. Not like that. Okay, we made a new low. We made a new low. Not the best trade I would take, especially the 5-minute not confirming. Oh. How strong are we pushing here, pandas? Are we breaking out now is the question. It's a lower high here. It's not my setup again. It's not a setup I usually take here. It could push down. It could flush here, though. Okay. Bears finding it hard to make money here. Bears finding it hard to make money here. Bulls making money now. My bulls making money by just buying down here. Limit order bulls bought here, make money. Bulls who bought above this bar also making money. Bears trying to sell. Sell, sell, sell. Okay, so bulls are making money right now. You kind of want to go where the money, who's making money. You want to be on the side of who's making money. Bulls making money here. And bulls and bears making money. Big push down. Bulls making money here. Bears making money here. Bulls making money back here. Interesting. Okay, we did make a lower. Interesting. I don't know. Again, the 5-minute, not confirming a breakout. We're closing within the range of the first 2 bars. We're still within the range of the first 2 bars, pandas. Let's see if we close here. I want to see how we close here. I'm curious. Curious how this candle's going to close. I could be a fool. Maybe I should just buy. At the bottom of the trading range. Somewhere near the bottom, wide stop. The problem with wide stops on trading ranges is that it can be hit. Like, it's just a matter of time until it gets hit because eventually you're going to break out of the trading range and you're going to have a wide stop, so you're going to get hit with a wide stop. That's why I don't like trading ranges. It's just not worth. The risk reward is not there for me.
2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Interesting. Very overlapping bars here.
2,500 tick trap.
$2,500 tick trap. Not sure.
5-minute trap.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, 10 o'clock? Was there news or something? Was there news at 10 or something? Oh, you guys are talking about news for a while. Are we coming back up to the top of the trading range? Big spike down, but V bottom back up. Is that a bear trap here? Very confusing. Am I looking to go long is the question. Am I looking to go long here, but in what way? Like a low, higher low here? Do I like a higher low? Am I that eager to go long here? I usually get burned by higher lows. Sit on my pause. It's getting confusing.
$2,500 tick trap.
I think what happened was a lot of bulls were waiting with limit orders here, and they all took their profits already. That spiked down. They had a bunch of limit orders waiting, at the, like beneath this trading range. How far beneath the trading range do they go? They go like 40 points beneath the trading range to buy back up. It's absolutely insane. Confusing. Confusion, more confusion here. We're pushing down. That's the question. I don't know. It just looks like it looks choppiness. It goes beneath the trade 20 EMA, goes above the 20 EMA, beneath the 20 EMA, can go right above the 20 EMA again. I don't know. Confusion. Triangle here. This could push down. I'll take a failed trap here or failed reversal. If we get a failed reversal here, I'll go short. The market is it giving to me? Is it actually going to give it to me? It's actually giving it to me. All right, I'll take it. If it pushes down again, I'm going short here. Balancing off our trend line. Strong bounce off our trend line. That's why you wait for your setup, pandas. That's why you absolutely wait for your setup. Whew. I don't know. Nothing looks pretty here. All right, pushing back up. Is that my sign to go long? Is the question. Is that my sign to go long? Is the question. I say there's a triangle forming here right now. Triangle forming here at this moment. I would go short here, but barely enough room to the bottom of the triangle. But pushes down quite strong. Now we're going beneath the triangle, closing beneath it. Pay attention here, pandas. Absolutely pay attention here. I'm going with one candle or one contract. See if we get a nice breakdown here. If it pushes up and pushes down again, I'm going another contract. Two contracts now if it pushes down again. Lean into your mistakes is what I say. Lean into your mistakes is what I say. Okay, we're in this. We're in it to win it, pandas. Technically, we didn't break beneath. That's really tricky. The market's playing games with me now. Market's absolutely just playing games with me now. It didn't actually trigger. It was within the same bar, and it actually entered at the close of it. I mean, if we break this low, I mean, I'm happy with that. But can we break it is a question. Again, we hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits perfectly. We got a ledge here. Wow, we cannot break through this. That's insane, pandas. We hit a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five contacts on that ledge. And we cannot break beneath it. That's just insane. It's actually silly. Are we okay? We broke it. All right. I thought we broke it would be strong. I can't make too much money. Gotta keep an eye on it. Trying to make a new low here. That was absolutely insane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits on that ledge. Goodness gracious, that was crazy.
5-minute trap.
How strong is my resolve when holding this trade? How strong is my resolve here? Should I take the 1-to-1 and re-enter again? Should I do that nonsense? How strong is my resolve here? That's a bar reversal. Let's get the 1-to-2. Let's get the 1-to-2. Missed it by a few ticks here. Missed it by a few ticks here. All right, I'll take it.
Target filled.
Pandas! Pandas. Pandas. We made max. We made max. Wow, pandas. I mean, pandas. Did I not say pay attention here? Did you guys hear me? I said pay attention here. I saw this candle form, and I was waiting to break beneath. And when we hit that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times at one point, I knew the moment we broke through it was going to be strong. And pandas, we made max. How many days in a row have we made max? Goodness gracious, I'm just making max every single day. Baby. That 45, it's fine. I made the extra 45 with commissions. Gonna drop it down. I think already I made a day like that was more than that. My max I made, the highest amount I made on one particular day. We're very close to payout city here. Let's see. This is just dropping. Pandas, we got a gap to fill beneath. Like, wait, whoa, did I turn it off? Gap below to fill down here. I think we're gonna fill it today. I think we might fill it. Like, jeez. What in the world? The most I made on these PA accounts was 1571. 1571, pandas. 1571. What a flush. 1571. Like, this is the dream flush if I had my TPT accounts. 1571, that means I got to make 1571 divided by 0.3. I have to make $5,236 in order to request a payout. $5,236, which is just $126 more than I would need otherwise. So it's not too bad. I made max! I told you, you had to pay attention here. I said, pandas, pay attention here. Pay attention. And the market paid attention. Hopefully you guys did too. I saw this triangle forming. We closed beneath it, and it was just It was just boiling, 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 and the pressure exploded. And like I said, every time we tried to come back to the top of the trading range, it was lower and lower, and it showed bearish pressure, and it was just kind of hard to time, right? But we got the timing perfectly actually there, and it with the 2500 tick chart is even easier, right? Even easier to see with the 2500 tick. You saw this huge pin bar here, and closing near the bottom, and the moment we broke beneath that pin bar, two pin bars created, and just flushed. It just flushed, pandas. Absolutely just flushed there.
2500 tick trap.
Second just short here. Probably should take it. Like, we're in a free fall right now. I probably should have taken that short. So we're in a free fall. Yeah, I probably should have taken it, but probably should have taken that.
2500 tick trap.
Probably should have taken that short. Hey, it's all good. Pushing down. Probably should have taken that short. Better trades to be had. Possibly better trades to be had here. Maybe people buying it now. When we come back up here, people are going to buy it. Made the one-to-one, people are going to buy it or sell it again. When I say buy, I mean enter the trade. They're going to enter this trade the moment it retests this area. Yep. So the moment they retested here, they entered again. Right? They took their one-to-one. They entered again the moment it entered this area. That happens a lot, pandas, and I'm paying attention to that now. I think I see it. I think I understand. I think I understand. I understand it now, pandas. That 1 to 2 now. That was the trade you're supposed to enter in. That was it right there. Nice looking trade. Beautiful looking trade. Beautiful looking trade. Right. Enters again. Basically, they made their one-to-one on this trade with this spike down. And then those bears who exited here re-entered here. And what happens when they do that, pandas, is now this is a risk-free trade. Because they took their profits here, and there's a risk-free trade now. Because if they lose it, they're back to 0. And they're thinking hit the 1 to 2, or even just let it run. Just let it run. Interesting, right, pandas? That 45 is going to bug you over to it. No, it's not. It's not. It's not, because I already made more than that. So since I already made more than that, it's fine. I've already come to terms. Like, I have to make $2,300 some dollars. So with my with my first account, I'm a little bit higher, but with all my other accounts, they need to. I need to make some bamboo. I need to definitely make some bamboo, like $400, just like 2 scalps. Another second entry short here. Is it worth taking the trade? I don't know. Is it worth taking the trade here? Let's see. First entry. It's not going to give it to me. It's not going to give me the second entry short. It's all good. All right, second entry short. Here we go. Let's see, pandas. Let's see here. It's another second entry short. We're free falling now, so let's see what happens. We are absolutely free falling here. Absolutely free falling. Can we make some bamboo?
2,500 tick trap.
Oh. Struggling to push down here. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough.
Target filled.
Okay. Let's see. I want to go low here. I want to go short here. I actually want to go short here. It's very rare you see a free fall like this. Triangle forming here. Oh, this cancel. Okay. Whew. I thought it wasn't cancel. I should have just kept my original trade, huh? I would have made some bamboo. Second just short, staying beneath the 20 MA. It's going to start losing momentum. You got to scalp your way out of this now. You got to keep scalping out of this. The triangle breaks. Retest. That's the question. What do I do here? Do I wait for a pullback before I continue to go short? Is the question. Give me a second, pandas. I'm getting up my trade evade up. Let's see here. We're finally getting some movement today, though. That's great. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see here. All right. We got our TPTs up. We got our TPT accounts up here. We're going for it, pandas. We're absolutely going for it today. Small consolidation here. Let's get a second just short. Okay. OI pattern. Breaks to the downside. Are we trying to get a second entry short here is a question. We've been going sideways for a little bit now. Our market has cooled down a little bit. Hopefully for another push down. And the question is, can we get our second entry short here? I hope we do. I hope we do. I hope we do. If we don't, it is what it is. But, I mean, we're still free falling. So, I'm trying to go short. If we're free falling, you got to jump on the wave here from the free fall. Another OI pattern here. Breaks to the downside. Looks like we're failing to make the second entry short here. It might just flush. Just never breaking a previous candle's high. It might be one of those situations. But I'm gonna be patient here. I mean, just gonna whatever happens, happens. I'm gonna be patient here. Pushes up, not being able to break a previous candle's high, right? Showing the strength of the bears. The moment it gets close, yeah, now it breaks down. See, it never gave me my setup, which I wanted this entire time. But every time it came close to breaking a previous candle's high, like, it just got shot back down. It shows you the strength of the bears. Little snap down might show that some bears took their profits there, but now what do I wait for, pandas? What's my setup? Is it the same? It's like a spike channel. Another channel. Another spiking channel. It's like spiking channel, spiking channel. Here's a spike, another channel. Just showing the slowing down of the momentum. No? This is not showing that at this point. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. Lower high, first entry. Coming off the 20 MA. Is that all you need? Is that all you need to go short in this market? Jeez Louise. We do got Big Mama forming here. Man. Nothing pretty yet, in my opinion. Nothing pretty yet. We keep making new lows, though. Every first entry is making new lows, which is nice. If you're a bear, right? Because you're continuing to swing trade this. Continue to swing trade this. You keep making new lows after every first entry. Now you put your pivot here, your stop loss here. You love to see these flush, continue to flush down. I guess at the end, any of these trades would have been nice. Any first entry would have been good. Another first entry now at the bottom of the channel. Shoots kind of strong back up. Interesting. Relatively strong. Pandas, what are we waiting for here? I'm trying to trade my TPT accounts, you know what I mean? I'm trying to get a banger here on my TPT accounts. It's been a long time since I've hit something nice in my TPT. Look at the 5-minute chart. We haven't even touched the 20 EMA yet. That gives me concern to go short. Gives me some concern to go short here. Gives me some concern to go short here. Some concern to go short. Okay, we hit the top of our channel here. Fair enough. Fair enough, hitting the top of our channel here. I mean, is that S tier just to go short here? Is that an S tier setup? I'll have to say no. It is a setup, but I don't know if it's S tier. Especially now we're breaking above. We broke above, closed one time above, now we're pushing down. A lower high here might be S tier. That'd be a second entry short as well. Second entry short here would be hard to give up, but looking at the price action, we're clearly above the 20 EMA now. Second entry short here. Okay, it doesn't give us a second entry short, per se. Okay. Just waiting for something. Higher low. I'm curious to see if it triggers the higher low here. Okay, higher low does trigger. Second entry short looks like it's about to commence. It's ugly, pandas. I mean, that's your signal bar. We're looking at outside bar reversal right now. The higher low. How high can you go? How high can you fly? How high can you fly? Is that good enough for me to go short here? Is that good enough for me to go short here? Is that good enough for me to go short here? Terrible signal bar. It's hitting the top of my channel here. If it comes back up. If it somehow miraculously comes back up before hitting this, then sure. Alright, if it triggers and traps down, I'm going short. If it comes back up and goes reverses again, I'm going short. But man, this is... If it goes up and back down, I'm going short. Micro double top. Maybe that's the market's all that's going to give us. Can we actually do trigger my setup here? S tier setup. Here we go. Following our channel. Following our channel here. Fail second entry long. We're in our trade. Let's see if we can get some decent bamboo here. I'm looking for, whoops. Well, obviously looking for 17 points here, which is where my target is. I'd like it to go down in a very clean manner. But it's not looking like it's doing so. It looks like it's going to reverse and break my neck. What can I say? It looks like it's going to reverse and break my neck. But worth the trade, in my opinion, I guess. Darn. I'm going to lose this trade. I thought it was S tier because you got to fail second entry long on a super strong downtrend. And you're having a tough time breaking above this channel that we drawn. Oh, I might still get it, Pandas. Ooh, it's looking better and better. Still haven't gotten yet. And it's starting to semi-limit order market. Ooh, so close. Pandas! Pandas! Pandas. Pandas. I don't think you understand the magnitude of TPT accounts. My 50K hitting $2,000. I don't think you understand the magnitude of that. That means any dollar above this, above the $2,000, I can withdraw today. Pandas, I mean, can we hit the big one? This is just free falling still. I mean, that looked S tier to me, Pandas. S tier. We had a hard time breaking above. We hit this trend line. In fact, if anything, even this trade to go short here would have been great. Would have been fine as well. Jeez Louise, Pandas. I mean, this is just flushing. Flushing. Pandas! Can we get one more trade in on these TPT accounts? I mean, maybe I'll just trade with one contract now. Now that we have a, now that our threshold is static, if you look at the top left of your screen, you can see the drawdown. The drawdown is stuck at 50,000. That means my threshold is static, so I can start swing trading. So that's why I like to first get my accounts all the way up to 2,000. Once they're up to 2,000, then you can start swing trading because it doesn't matter how much money you make because your threshold won't get affected. You're thinking any pullback on the 5-minute chart will be small at this point. So you kind of want a pullback so you can enter short again. Let the market breathe a little. Let the market breathe a little here. If we get down to the previous week's low in this exhaustive manner, it could easily bounce off of it as support, right? When you're exhausted and you hit a support or resistance, very high chance you bounce off of it. When you go to it in a very exhaustive manner. The 5-minute candle, right? This candle's getting quite large. Bounce off the previous week's low, which is right here. We can bounce off of it. Easy bouncing area. But I don't know if I'm going to take a trade off it. But now, Pandas, we're going to just scalp our way. And we have infinite profits here. We're just, whatever we can make here, Pandas, we get to keep. We get to withdraw. You know what I mean, Pandas? We get to withdraw. So that's why my first trade, I like to go high, to go big on my TPT accounts. Because I want to hit that trailing threshold. So my next trade, I can just trade freely and swing it as much as I want. It's a second entry short here. Never mind. I mean, I feel like we're going to bounce off the previous week's low because we're so exhausted here. We basically had 0 pullbacks on the 5-minute chart. This is 0 pullbacks on the 5-minute chart. First entries all the way down on the 2500. Pandas, we are looking nice here. What can I say? We are looking real good here. What can I say? I might not even take a trade if I don't see a good setup. But I'm going to slow it down. Actually, I'm going to just trade normally here. I'm going to slow it down. I'm not going to trade, like 6 contracts now. I'm going to just trade 1 contract. Let's just get a little bamboo today from these accounts. Okay, strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. It's okay if this gets bought up. I mean, I don't see a problem with that at all. I mean, I just think we're in a downtrend. I think we might fill the gap even right down here. It's this blue line to fill the gap from several weeks ago or 2 weeks ago or something like that. It's a gap that happened a while back. On the weekly chart, you can see the gap here. Well, sorry, the daily chart. The daily chart, you can see the gap here. It's much easier to see, but the gap is right here. You can see we're just closed and this
500
opened.
tick trap.
This gap needs to fill. We'll probably make a new low as well, honestly. You'll probably make a new low here. Okay, I wouldn't be surprised if we have a small pullback here. Right? Like on the 5-minute chart, we just need like one candle to break a previous candle's high. And then once we break the low again, it's going to be a strong move back down, in my opinion. We do got a second entry short form right here, though. It's hard to pass. It's hard to pass up a second entry short. But with basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bear bars. Second short, small risk. You know what? You know what? You know what? I missed this trade. You know what? I missed it. It was a small risk. I decided, all right, I waited a little too long, but it takes a 1-to-1, so that's a winner. 1-to-2. It looks like making 1-to-2. Trying to make 1-to-2. You're thinking it's going to test the previous week's low, but man, I was waiting for a pullback on the 5-minute chart, a little small one. Never got it. Jeez. I think what happened here on the 5-minute chart is the bulls, they bought here thinking this might be over because the momentum stopped with this bar. And then they bought at the close of this bar. And so they waited for the 50% pullback and came out break even here. That's basically what they did, in my opinion. So it seems like what happened here. The bulls are just losing. The bulls cannot make money today on the 5-minute chart. They're having a very hard time making money today. Let's just say that. I'm not gonna get married to any premise. I just need to see the setup actually in this area. Again, another reason why I didn't go short here is because we're pretty much at the bottom of this channel. But I feel like now I gotta draw like another one, basically another channel that looks like this. It's crazy. Look at this, like these channels, and it's hard to know that this was gonna be a new channel. Like I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting this to be a new channel because we still had this channel active, so I wasn't really expecting that. But lo and behold, here we are. Okay, we're testing the previous week's low. I think we're going to bounce off of it because we're exhausted to it. We're very exhausted to it. But pandas, how long have we been waiting for a day like today? How long have we been waiting for a day like today? Just nice movement. And we hit max on our Apex accounts. We hit $2,000 on our TPT accounts. Like, I mean, seriously, can you make any more money today? Can we even make any more money today? Is it possible? Let's say 3 and 1 here. Okay, I mean, that's close enough of a test. This might be a pullback here. I'm thinking of a bull bar on the 5-minute chart. A small pullback on the 5-minute chart. It completely makes sense in this situation. But we are bouncing off the top of this channel here. The first entry. If we get a second entry here. I don't know. Pandas. What happens here? First entry still. Do I take a second entry here? I guess if it's off our trend line in 20 MA, then I have to try. I don't think it's going to even give it to me, though. First entry is only going to test the previous week's low with it. High chance at this point to test the previous week's low on this first entry. Such a high chance to do it. Okay, pulls back a little bit. My second entry short off our 20 MA and this trend line, I gotta go short. It's an inside bar. It might not give me my setup because this inside bar is created. Okay, trying to push up. Okay. I mean, if you give it to me like that, I'm gonna try. I mean, I'm gonna assume this is free money here. I'm gonna assume we have some free money here. Just get to the previous week's low. It's a bad looking signal bar now. Let's see if we can make some bamboo here. Just trying to hit the previous week's low off our trend line in 20 EMA. We can run one. Ooh, looks like I'm gonna get hit here. Absolutely reverses. Mind-bending reversal here on the second to short off our trend line and 20 EMA. And I gotta try there, in my opinion. And we're still in this trade. I gotta try, right? People came out break even here, it seems like. I'm gonna hold. Dame cojones. It is what it is. If it reverses, so be it. I'm just gonna try to hit this target here. Again, balancing off our trend line and 20 EMA. If it reverses strongly here, it is what it is. I just gotta hold this though. I think I gotta hold this. Okay, we hit our first target, which is obviously the week low. And I just took it out. So now, pandas, I can take $415 out of each account. So that equals what? $1,600. I just made $1,600 I can withdraw today with TBT, which is great, right? Making $1,600 in one single day in any job is amazing. Tell me any other job you're making $1,600 a day illegitimately, unless you're OF. OP, Oni Pan. We did break beneath it a little bit. Let me get that trend line here. Let me get this trend line here. Or sorry, this I'm transposing that gap on the 5-minute chart on this chart as well, so I can see where it is. Sorry. Okay. So that's where the gap fills on the 5-minute chart. I just transposed it onto this chart. Then we tested the previous week's low. I wouldn't be surprised if we take a small breather here, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars in a row. And Al Brooks usually says after 10 bars, your swing is done. So a lot of people taking profits here, especially if you're hitting a support area like this. I think we're gonna find a semi-strong bounce here. I think I'll take a fail second entry short, pandas. Shall we try? Fail second entry short. If we get it, shall we try? Pandas! We're absolutely killing it with our TPT accounts. That's the beauty of TPT. You can literally withdraw this money. I'm withdrawing $1,600 today. It's going to end up in my bank account on Monday, right? Because they don't process over the weekend. But on Monday, I'm going to see $1,600 from the profits today. And then we're going to keep on doing that, pandas. We're going to keep on doing it. Let's get a nice trade here. I would love a nice fail second entry short here. Give me a fail second entry short, pandas, and I will consider an S tier here. S tier trade because the risk reward is sick. So sick here. Let's try. Shall we dance? So sick. I don't know how much risk I want to take. Semi-strong bounce here, 10 bars on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if we can get a little bit bamboo. 1-to-1 was made. Let's see if we can get a little bit more than that. If we lose, we lose. I think it's worth holding. Holding a little bit here. Let it cook a little bit. It might test a 20 EMA, but I don't think I'm gonna take my. I don't know if I'm gonna extend my stop loss here. I'm just let it cook. Ooh, okay, pushes up. Let him cook! 1-to-1's made. I'm gonna get rid of this. I need this push up now. I do not want this to reverse again here. I do not want this to reverse again here. I'm out. I'll just take the hit. Now I've been taking the hit, but I'm going to just take the skunk. I do not want it to reverse again there. Right? It reversed 2 times like that. That's no good. It's not good for me. If it pushes up again, so be it. But the fact that it's reversing 2 times on me, I do not like that. I do not like that. Especially when my stop loss is so short, so small. Such a small stop loss. My stop loss is right here. It might get hit. I have my stop loss right here. You're still okay. So I would have got hit if I didn't skunk it. Now it might go up. Okay, that might be all we get here. Failed reversal up. 5 minute. It's the first pullback within 10 bars, pandas. The first pullback within 10 bars. Most likely, small pullback here. But it's coming. It's right on time, though, right? It's right on time on this. We made the 1-to-1 on this, pandas. We surely made the 1-to-1. But I wanted more. I just skunked it. It's fine. All right. After taking all your stop losses out, like from this stop loss, pushing up quite strong now. Right? You really had to have held it down here, right? Your stop loss would have to have been down here. I was not willing to risk that much. And that's fine, skunking that trade. But if this pushes up, it pushes up. It's probably trying to look for a new high here. In fact, the second inch is short on the 2500 tick chart. Right on time again, right? Basically at this support area. It's right on time, pandas. You can't time that any more perfectly. Looking for a new high now. I'm just like, I'm not going to hold it, right? Especially if I see these 2 bear bars. That's probably going to spook me. I'm not really expecting it to bounce up like this. I just see this as a failed trap. And unless you swing it, right? Unless you really swing that. First touch of the 20 EMA in a long time, pandas. But it's coming right off of support. It's hard for me to go short here because of the strong bounce off the support. If you get a really good signal bar, I would be tempted to go short here. I'd be tempted to go short here, but I would actually like it to touch the 20 EMA. We don't quite touch the 20 EMA. You see that? We actually don't quite touch it. And the reason why that's a problem for me is because if we go short here, 20 EMA can act as a magnet. It can reverse me. I actually want to touch the 20 EMA first because there might be a lot of traders waiting there on the 20 EMA. Not like if we don't get there, then
2500 tick trap.
they're still waiting, right? That means there's not enough traders, right? All the bears are waiting up here, and if it triggers down here, there's not enough bears to keep pushing it down. The bulls might overcome it, right? The limit order bulls might overcome them and might actually finally come to touch this area. That's the problem. In fact, we end up touching it anyways. I'm really thinking the first pullback on the 5-minute chart will be small. So I'm going to try here. Just with one. No harm with one candle. Or one contract, sorry. One contract here. Could be a decent move down, right? Good risk reward on this trade. Really good risk reward on this trade. Looking for that 1 to 2 here. Right, with such a strong push down, you're thinking the first pullback will be small. And it's a 2-legged pullback here. 2-legged pullback. Late in trend, though. Bouncing off support. That's the problem. A couple red flags. But I'm going to try here because I think the first pullback will be small. Let's see if we can get a nice push down here. Give me a good signal bar. That'd be even better. Question is, will I reverse it if it traps? I won't reverse it if it traps, but I'll go short again if the trap fails. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Okay, let's see if limit order bears come in here. Interesting. Close enough for me. Let's try.
2500 tick trap.
Okay, we're in this trade. Small risk for such a good reward here, pandas. Small, teeny risk, right? It's only 20. It's not even 20-point risk with a good Decent signal bar, second entry short off the 20 EMA. Really strong downtrend. I think this trade is worth it. Even if I lose it, I think this trade is just worth taking. So here we go. If I lose this, so be it. I think it's worth taking. Especially when you look for a new low in this situation. Again, the only problem is it's bouncing off with strong support here. So that's the main issue of this trade for me. Main issue of this trade. I might get hit. I don't know. First bounce off the 20 EMA. Strong push down. Maybe too late in trend. It could be reversing here. It looks like I'm gonna get hit in the same within the same bar I enter. It looks like I'm gonna get hit. But again, the risk is not too bad. It's not too big, right? It's only 20-point risk. I'll take the hit. Let's see. Okay.
5-minute
Pushes
trap.
back down. The 5-minute trap will be great if it triggers. It's another push down. Okay. Good risk reward. Let's let the 5-minute hit. The 5-minute trap. If we break this low here, pandas, I mean we are in breakdown territory. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Ho, 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 ho. Oh, please don't bounce back up. Please don't bounce back up. I'm going to just take my risk off at this point and see how low this can go. How low can you go? How low can you go? You know what? I could just do this. I can do this cheeky thing. We take our 1-to-1.
Target filled.
We take our 1-to-1. And we enter again if it comes back up here. Like, how many times has that happened to us? We take our 1-to-1. And then we enter short again if it comes back up here. So then that means we have a no risk trade. You know what I mean, pandas? We have a no risk trade. We'll come out break even on that trade at the worst. Worst case scenario, we'll come out break even on this trade. How many times has that happened to us? If we're going to take advantage of it against them, pay attention here, pandas. We might be onto something. In fact, the pullback is not strong enough. The lower high, jeez. The lower high, oof. All right, that's all they got. That's all they gave us. The Bears were too eager, and they just jumped in at the top of this bar. They didn't even wait for you to, as Live Free or Fight says, reload. They're not even waiting for the reload. Let's look at our 500 tick chart. Oh, you know what? We got a second just short on the 500 tick. Didn't even realize that. Let's see here. Oh, this trap fails. I think I got no short here. No? Is that not a good trade, pandas? Am I talking crazy here? Maybe got a little too greedy. We never got the reload. Never got the reload, but we got some bamboo. We got the 1-to-1 at least. We got the 1-to-1 at least. I'm flying with these accounts right now. I love it. I'm absolutely loving it. I like the fact that I have no maximum. I don't have any consistency rules to worry about. That's another beautiful thing about TPT. I don't have any consistency rules. I can make $5,000 today and just withdraw it. I don't have to like make that only 30% of my account profits. I don't have to deal with all this. I don't have to try to purposely lose money. I don't have to do all this funky stuff that I would never really do with my real money. And TPT allows you to trade freely. Like it allows you just to make money. It allows you to make your money and get your money. You know what I mean, pandas? This allows you to trade freely. And that freedom is worth it. That's why I like TPT. I highly recommend TPT. I mean, we're making over $2,700 today with no consistency rules, pandas. This is getting confusing here. I'm just let this cook. I don't find anything convicting here. In fact, it feels like it's starting to turn to a trading range a little bit. Just a little bit. I don't love anything here. Just let it happen. Whatever happens, happens. If it flushes, it flushes. So be it. So be it. I was trying to be cheeky, right? I was trying to do the thing that always happens to me, where the market comes back up, takes your runners out, and then finally pushes down, right? After you make your one-to-one, that's where the bears are waiting, but the bears did not allow it to get that high. There's so many bears right above this bar that it didn't allow it to actually reach the entry point or the breakout area, which is, I think, signs of strong bearish pressure, in my opinion. That to me shows you that the bears are in control still, like very strongly. Okay, trading range on the 5-minute chart. Wow, we are coming back up, pandas. Should I reload? Is it too late to reload? Is it looking too strong to reload? It's looking quite strong, actually. I'm a little scared. I mean, technically, I should have reloaded here, but that's a little scary how strong that bull bar was. Darn it! I should have reloaded. Is it going to flush now? It's going to flush now after... Oh, wow. People actually reloaded. Took the one-to-one out again here. Now they're going to just let it ride. Ride or die. I abandoned my strategy because it was such a strong bull bar. I thought we're going to break this high now. And scared money make no money. And that's what happened. Scared money make no money. Oh yeah, interesting. I should have reloaded. That was a strat. And I failed to hold on to it. It took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. It was such a strong move up. I thought I was going to break this high. And I was just worried. I was like, well, if it's like pushing up this strong, high chance of breaking this high here. What are we doing here, actually, though? What are we actually doing here? Higher low. Higher low. Higher low. Trading range. Overshoot trying to lead to an undershoot. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Right, if a trading range here, overshoot trying to lead to an undershoot. That's what I'm trying to capture here. Interesting. It's just complete overlapping bars. If anything, I just go short up here if I can. If anything, I just go short right here, no? Lower high. If anything, I just go short right here. Is that not the case? The question is, where's my risk reward? I'll take the half the risk I would be willing to take on my reward here. Anything, I just go short here. Seeing we're in trading range. I'm such a scared panda. If it comes back up, I'm coming out break even. If it comes back up, I'm coming out break even. I'm just too scared here. Trying to catch a falling knife, essentially. It is what it is. It takes me out. I mean, I'll come out break even. I'll skunk this. Whatever, I'll skunk that. I don't know what's happening here. It's getting too confusing. We do have higher lows. Good point. Ooh, big push down. After taking my break even out, the market said no break even for you. Or no risk-free trade for you. It does hit the top of the trading range, come back to the bottom trading range, not pushing down strong. Real strong. Very strong here. I think we're breaking down. If we get a small pullback, I'll go short here. Give me a small pullback. I'll try to go short and see if I take advantage of this momentum. Probably looking for a new low now. That's what I'm thinking. We're going to look for a new low here, in my opinion. New low here. In what manner, though? In what manner are we going new low? Is it 1-to-1? The new low? Silly trade, maybe? Pushing down kind of hard. Pushing down very hard now. See if we get the new low. Whoa! I'll take it, pandas. I'll take it. Pandas, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Whoa! That was wacky. I mean, I'll take it. I mean, I got my runner, or I got my main, and then I got my runner also taken out way down here, and I'm up 1,335. Panda, that's $4,000 I can withdraw. That's more than four. That's $5,200 I can withdraw today, and it will end up in my bank account on Monday. Pandas, that's the beauty of take profit. We got no consistency rules. We can make as much money as we want today, and no one's gonna say anything about it. That's the beauty of TPT, and you're seeing it right now with your own eyes. The beauty of TPT. If a panda can do it, guess what? You can do it too. Truly. There is nothing special about me. Anyone who's been watching my stream long enough knows there is absolutely nothing special about me. I'm just a talking panda. That's the only thing special about me. Otherwise, my IQ, average, maybe. Hopefully, even that, if that. But pandas, if I can do it, surely you can do it. I mean, a dumb panda like me making this much bamboo. Goodness gracious, like. Goodness gracious. We made a new low. I don't know if it's worth trying to go short again here. Hard time breaking up with 20 man. I mean, we can keep flushing. We can keep flushing here, pandas. Wick test one time. Wick test one time. Test the bottom of this wick here. Oh, such a strong move down. I'm gonna let it cook. Whatever. I'm not too eager to jump in there. Second short, maybe. Second short, maybe. Goodness gracious. I would have even a better trade if I held this. My trade would have been even better. But I was too scared. I was too scared. I mean, it made sense, right? Just like a short here. The trading range. Apparent trading range. Whoo-wee. If a dumb panda, a little dumb old panda like me can make bamboo, imagine what you can do. Seriously. Imagine what you can do. A dumb panda like me making all this bamboo. Imagine what you can absolutely do here. Fail second to short might be a good trade here, actually. Right, exhausted move. Tries to test it again. Fails to do so. Man, it's a good-looking signal bar, though. I'm going to sit on my pause on this one. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't give me my trade. In fact, this trap, right, fails. This trap is failing. It might reverse kind of strong back up. This might be a strong push back up just for a pullback. I still think we're in a bear trend day today, but the 5-minute, notice how far away we are from the 20 MA. The 5-minute loves the 20 MA. It wants to come back to it. It surely does. I'll take one more trade here and be final trade of the stream if we can get it. Okay, outside bar reversal. I skipped that. I'll skip the outside bar reversal. No, thank you. Okay, I'll try here. Last trade of the stream. Let's see if we can get some bamboo here. Last trade of the stream, pandas. Let's see if we can make some bamboo. Bamboo rooskies. Bambooronis. And it looks like it's pushing down. All right, no longer interested in that. What a strong push down. I'm curious to see. What a strong push down, though, pandas. What a strong push down. It is what it is. What a strong push down. It is what it is. I'm sitting my pause here. Bouncing off of this. Okay. All right, pandas. That's it for me. I'll see you guys bright early on Monday. I'm going to have an amazing weekend knowing that I just made
2500 tick trap.
What, how much money did I make today? 1,335 times 4. I made $5,000 today. I'm going to be happy this weekend. I made 5K today. And that's just the beginning, pandas. I'll see you guys bright early on Monday. Have an amazing weekend, everyone. And I hope to see you guys then at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope to see you guys there. All right, pandas. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.
2500 tick trap. $2,500 tick trap.
Target filled.